Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. So, if you're new to our channel, welcome. Here at Mad About Skin, we're passionate about helping you to get the most out of your skincare. So if you haven't already, now's a fantastic time to click that link below, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and you won't miss out on any of our amazing future uploads now. Today, we've got another one of our fast, quick, and straight to the point single product review videos. In this series, we take a single product, we tear it apart, we talk about the pros, we talk about the cons, we talk about whether you want it in your skincare routine. We just focus on just one product, and today that is this, the Pixi Rose Tonic. Now, the reason I'm covering this is because, well, first of all, I thought, what is the point of this product? I did a whole review, which I will link up there, on Pixi Tonics, the whole range. And the one I didn't buy was the Rose Tonic. I didn't get the point of it. I looked on their website. They didn't really sell it to me. I don't like the smell of rose. And I thought, what is the point of this product? And then the barrage of comments came, not just on that video, but on every video since, saying, you've reviewed all of the tonics, but you've never talked about the Rose Tonic. People have said, I bought the Rose Tonic, but I don't know where to use it in my routine. You guys have said you absolutely love it, and you want to understand why I don't include it, why I don't talk about it, why it's always the product in Pixi line that I exclude. And so I thought, right, I'm going to bite the bullet, I'm buying the product, I'm trying the product, I'm going to give it my usual week-long test. This was quite an easy one to test because actually it's an addition to my skincare routine, so I didn't have to switch a product out to put this in. This is just a new addition. And so I thought, right, I'll sit down, I'll tell you what my views are on it and whether I think there's a place for it in your skincare routine. So straight on into it. I'm going to talk about, well, actually first I'm going to announce the giveaway winner. So we have a fantastic giveaway going on, focusing on the Nip and Fab range. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it above. Check it out. Great video where I talk about everything in the Nip and Fab range. They've got some beautiful acids. They've also got some fails, so check that out. And I said to you guys, the winner, leave a comment, and the winner will win all of my favourite products from the Nip Fab. We had some acid toners, we had some face masks, we had some vitamin C's. We just had some gorgeous range of products. And the winner of that is Pauline M, who has been a fantastic, I'm so pleased you won, Pauline, because you've been a fantastic supporter of this channel right from the start. It's totally anonymous. I pulled it out of a hat this morning, but when your name came out, I thought, oh, I'm so pleased because you've honestly been one of best supporters of this channel right from the start. So congratulations, and if you drop me a DM on Instagram at SkinMad, I'll get them shipped to you. We still do have a giveaway going on, so you haven't missed out. Check out the Inculus retinol video, I'll link up there again, where you can win every single one of every single product in the whole Inculus range. That is the biggest giveaway we've ever given away on this channel. So if you haven't already, leave a comment on that video and you'll be entered, because I'm going to be drawing that in 2 days time. So back to the Rose Tonic. I bought it, it was £10 for this little size here. You can get 3 times as much and it's £18. So if you do love it, definitely worth spending the extra because you get basically a third for free. Very similar to the rest of the Pixi tonics. Really nice formulation, lightweight, water-based formulation as you'd expect in a tonic. It does have fragrance and does have colourant in, as do all of the Pixi tonics. And you just put it on. So I'll tell you how I used it first. So obviously, like all tonics, you get yourself a cotton wool pad. You'd pop it on the cotton wool pad there. The fragrance is very heavy on the rose, and literally just gently swipe it across the face. Now, I would use this product after your cleanse, before your exfoliation. Morning and evening, it said it's safe to use, so absolutely go ahead, use it morning and evening. And what it claims to do is to refresh, to balance, hydrate, and calm the skin. Now that's quite a few claims from a tonic. Wow, the smell is really overpowering. But it does, it gets the grime off the pad, so fair. So let's talk about the pros and the cons. So the pros for me is it does cool and calm the skin. So total honesty from the start, I was expecting to hate this product. I hate the smell of rose. I didn't see what the point of it was, and I went into this quite negative. I thought it's just going to be another one of those products that's gimmicky to get people to spend. Their Glow Tonic was amazing, and this is just going to be another one in that line to get people to part with another £10. Didn't really see the point of it. First of all, it does calm and cool the skin. So I'm a huge fan of that. Sometimes people can find they have that sensitivity. Now, this isn't suitable for sensitive skin, so just put that out there. There is way too much fragrance in this, and rose can be very, very triggering for people with sensitive skin, so I wouldn't recommend it for sensitive. But I mean people with a light bit of sensitivity, maybe you have a little bit of sunburn, maybe you've had quite vigorous exfoliation or treatment, that sort of sensitivity. Your skin is normal, but sometimes you do have a sensitivity flare up. This could work for you because it cooled, it calmed, you could keep it in the fridge, which would be even more amazing, and it really did take down the redness in my skin. I'd done my BHA and AHA peel by The Ordinary the night before. My skin was still a little bit red and a little bit sensitive from that. This actually really helped. So straight off the bat, it does work to cool, to calm, and to take down any redness. So I really like that. Another pro is the price point. It is still drugstore. Now, I think it's expensive for what it is, but it is still a drugstore price point, so it's still accessible, and I think that is one of the positives of Pixi. They are a fantastically accessible drugstore brand. So I'll give them some points for that. I'm giving them a pro for the marketing because it's beautifully packaged. It's really clear instructions about tell you how to use it, how often you should use it. I totally agree with them, and they're very clear about their ingredients and how it's formulated. They say all the fragrance and the oils used in this are 100% natural, so again, I'll give them a pro for that, but you can still be allergic. I keep saying this, but you can still be allergic, sensitive, and reactive to natural ingredients. An ingredient doesn't have to be synthetic to create a reaction, and quite a lot of the ingredients in here, flower extracts, hibiscus extract, chamomile extract, these are things which could cause a sensitive reaction to someone with very reactive skin, so you need to bear that in mind. Another pro for me isn't actually the rose, which I kind of think is neither here nor there, it's just a scent. It's the chamomile. So this is packed full of chamomile, which most people know is really good for calming the skin and for really soothing any inflammation or any redness, any sensitivity that you might have. So that is the ingredient I think is really working in this, and it came through. It did the job. For me, the cons of this product are the smell. I can't get over this. If you like rose, this is going to be your best friend. I love rose scented and flavoured Turkish delight. Other than that, I hate the smell of rose. For me, it does nothing. I find it overpowering. The smell does go after about 2 to 3 minutes, so it's not there all day, but it is still present. It does leave a slight film on the skin. You feel that it's there. I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing because it's got lots of hydrating and humectant qualities to it, so that's what that's there doing. But if you do want your skin to feel fresh and like you haven't got any product on, I think you might struggle with this a little bit. Another con for me is just the level of ingredients are through the roof, and I think there's a huge risk of sensitivity and reaction for this product, particularly if you are quite reactive to oils, to extracts and things like that. I think you struggle with this product. So overall, what do I think? Well, I was prepared to give this a 0 out of 10 because I thought it was a waste of money and I didn't see the point of it. Having used it, and I've used it religiously for a week, I actually quite like it. Now, I'm not going to give it a 10 out of 10, that's for sure. They get extra points because they're cruelty-free. Pixi is a brand, are fantastic for that. They're very clear and open and honest about what it's going to deliver and how to get the best out of the product, which I love. The price point's absolutely great, and it does cool, calm, and reduce redness. All that's great, small enough that you can keep it in your fridge, which I really like, and it does what they promise it will do. I think there's one too many aggravating ingredients in here for most people. It's kind of aimed at people with sensitivity to cure some of that sensitivity, but I won't go anywhere near this product if I had sensitive skin because it's just a flare-up waiting to happen. It isn't going to clog your pores, so you could use it with all skin types bar the sensitive, and it did leave my skin feeling fresh and hydrated, which is what it said it would. So all told, I'm actually going to give this a 7 out of 10. I'm knocking points off for the obnoxious fragrance. I hate rose. But again, if you like rose, you might make this an 8 out of 10 rather than a 7 out of 10. I'm knocking a point off because I think there is a bit of a gimmicky element to it, and I am going to knock a point off because there's just so many extracts, oils and things in here that are going to risk sensitivity and reaction in some people. So overall, 7 out of 10. Much better than I thought it was going to be. If you're going to buy this, definitely use it straight after your cleanse before you do any sort of exfoliation work, and I would leave it to sit on the skin for a minute before you then go on to your next step. It will definitely work. Now, I personally, if I'm looking for a cooling, balancing, calming and redness reducing product, I would actually stick with the low thermal from La Roche-Posay. It's basically basically just really gorgeous, cooling spring water. But it's spring water from a spring that's packed full of essential minerals and trace elements, which is found like selenium, which is really going to help calm and soothe the skin. You're not going to get a reaction from that product because there's so little in the product, and you can also keep it in the fridge. So I think a product like that does exactly what this does, but without the scent, without some of the added extracts, albeit them natural, that could create issues for people with sensitive skin. So I personally will stick to that. So I'm not going to be repurchasing this once I've used it, but I was pleasantly surprised. I'd love to know, guys, do you use this product? Do you swear by this product? I know there are subscribers out there that do, because you've all been messaging me about it. So I want to know your experience with this product. Have you used it? Will you use it? This opened my eyes, and this is, I think, I want to come into all of these reviews with an open mind, because I think if we come into it with a preconceived idea, then I think we do ourselves a disservice. Skincare is very personal, so what I like, you guys might not, and vice versa. But I was pleasantly surprised with this product, and Pixi continues to really impress me with some of their skincare. And this was no exception. So 7 out of 10, guys. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next review. Take care, guys. Bye.